Hey, welcome back. So today I'm going to share my 5-minute makeup look that'll hopefully help you get ready much quicker, feeling fresh with at least a little bit of color on your face. So this is obviously not your most polished look ever, but it comes in handy for those days where you really don't have time, or if you're lazy like me, then this becomes your everyday look. I'll be using the Heliocare 360 Colourgel in the shade Beige. I use 2 drops to start off with, and I do the application with my hands. Personally, I feel sponges and brushes take up too much product, and true story, I am not skilled with foundation brushes and end up doing the final blending with my hands anyway. But do it in the way that you feel most comfortable with. And be sure to blend into your neck as well. Now this is the part where you'll use concealer, but since we're in a rush, I'm just going to use a second layer of the Heliocare where I need a bit more coverage. Now I'm going to set my eyes with a bit of powder using this buff. And be sure to blend the creases before you set it. Moving over to bronzer now on your cheekbones, your temples, and the side of your forehead. I prefer to use a lighter bronzer and just do a slow color build-up. Now I take the same bronzer brush, press it flat, and brush a few strokes of bronzer on my eyes. Now I'm going to add a bit of blusher on my cheeks. And here I do the same. I press the brush flat and I do a few strokes on my eyelids. But be sure to keep it underneath the brow bone. For brows, I use a small angled brush and basically any brown eyeshadow. Start in the middle and work your way out and fill in where necessary. I tint my eyebrows at home and that makes the filling in much quicker. And now the ultimate cheat to make it look like you spent a lot of time on your makeup. We're going to add a touch of highlighter. And then a quick layer of eyeliner. And then a quick layer of mascara. If you want to save even more time, then you can leave the eyeliner, but don't skip mascara. Rather spend time on perfecting your lashes. And then add a lip conditioner or any lip gloss. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've got any interesting 5-minute makeup tips. Cheers!